Yes, you work a 9 to 5 and you want to start a business, but you don't know where to begin. I'm actually in my home right now because I just got in from work and I said, you know what? The kids aren't at home, so let me go ahead and hit the record button on this and record this quick video for you before they get in and all the noise starts in the house. What if I told you that one of the easiest side hustles that you could get started with in the online space is actually selling a digital product? And a digital product is any non-physical product that is created, distributed, and consumed digitally. They can be accessed via email, streams, download, can be sold online repeatedly. Depending on the type of digital product that you are selling, you can earn anywhere of upwards $900 plus weekly. And some examples of digital products are ebooks, guides, digital courses, memberships, subscriptions, if you call it, digital arts, and so much more. But you see, digital products are a way for business owners to be able to provide value and service the market. It also allows you the opportunity for you to be able to just reach a wider scale of people globally. And there's no cap when it comes to your earning potential, especially with digital products. If you're someone who's fairly new, you could package what you already know into a digital product, such as an ebook or a guide, and then you could sell that online and start generating extra income. So say, for example, you decide to price that digital product that you create at $57. You only need to sell about 16 units of that to be able to generate an extra $900 for the week. And if you need help with creating your digital product, I'm gonna link a video in the description that walks you through step by step how you could create your first ebook using AI, of course. Because you see, around here, you're gonna learn how to work smarter and not harder. Now, my 9 to 5ers, if you're someone like me who work a job, chances are your schedule is packed and you're super busy and you don't necessarily have the time where you're able to create your product, right? And maybe you just want something that is already pre-built or something that is already pre-done that you could pretty much take it, put your stamp on it, and have it out there working for you while you work that 9 to 5. There is so many avenues out there for this method, and one of the things that I love is the fact that you see, as someone who works in the corporate world, you could work in the corporate world and still build yourself an online business. I've done it. I've generated multiple 6 figures in the online space doing this. But you see, right now, we are about working smarter and not harder, and you could literally get yourself what is called a digital business franchise. And with getting yourself a digital business franchise, one, it's going to save you a lot of time so that you don't have to spend time trying to figure out how to create a digital product, right? Two, what do we know about franchises? A brand is already built or developed, or the franchise is already known for something. So what you could do is you could purchase yourself a digital business franchise. You now brand that franchise as your own. And what's going to happen is that franchise, it comes with the blueprint, the step-by-step, how to operate, what to do in a particular order. And when you do that, you're going to be able to generate sales from your digital business franchise. And when you generate the sales from your digital business franchise, you're going to keep 100% of the profits. Now, I don't know about you, but you see, as someone who loves to work smarter and not harder, I always say to persons that you see, especially if you're someone who is new and you don't know the ins and outs of how to market, how to attract the right people to you, how to put yourself or show up on social media strategically, you could literally work your job, have a business that is out there in the online space working for you, generating you the income. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for you to go ahead and check out the business in a box opportunity. So for those of you who are visual, this right here, right? This is considered the business in a box opportunity. It is structured a certain way. It looks a certain way, right? But it also comes with a key. You have the key, or you receive the key when you purchase the rights for the digital business franchise. You get to unlock it, you get to open it, and you pretty much get to pull out every single thing that is in it one by one. Now, I don't know about you, but when there is a business model like this that is already proven to work, it has thousands of success stories that surrounds it. You could use known franchises that are out there, such as Burger King, KFC, McDonald's. You understand? Look at what happens. There is a way that the burger is cooked. there's a type of bun that is used. When it comes to KFC, there are certain spices that they use. There's a certain way how they fry the fries. It means that there is a particular structure, framework, step by step in place that allows it to be successful. The franchise is already established. The brand is already established. So what it now needs is a particular franchise owner to be able to say, you know what? I want to grab myself a digital business franchise, and then what I want to do is I now want to come in, follow what is already working, mirror it, but also learn how to put my own spin on it to be able to put it out there and start generating income in the online space. Now, I don't know about you, my friend, but if it is that you're someone who is still sitting on the sideline trying to figure it out by yourself, especially if you know you want to generate extra income, because let's just face it, you're working your 9 to 5, but sometimes it feels like the 9 to 5 is working you. Because see, the income that you generate, it's not sufficient to be able to handle your responsibilities and also be able to give you that lifestyle that you're desiring. I always say that, you see, this business in a box opportunity, it's changing so many lives. And by that, I have so many different individuals who decided that they're gonna grab their digital business franchise, and so many great things are happening for them. One of the things that you must note is that, you see, when you decide to get your digital business franchise, you are in business for yourself, but you are not by yourself. Here's why. You get to be connected with me, all the greatness, all the awesomeness. And no, I'm not tooting my own horn, but just know that you get to learn from my wisdom, my knowledge, and my expertise if it is that you want to. See, I shared with you earlier how you could pretty much take what you know and turn it into a digital product, sell that online, and generate an extra $900 for the week. If you're someone who, you want to work smarter and not harder, you could get yourself a digital business franchise and put it out there in the online space and position yourself to generate that extra $900 plus, working smarter and not harder. So gone are the days of scratching your head and trying to figure it out, because you could literally get started with your digital business franchise. When it comes to online, it is unlimited. You could be where you are right now and tap into the entire global market space. If you're someone who's looking for an MRR opportunity, and that's pretty much monthly recurring revenue, then check out the link that is in the description. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you don't leave here without subscribing, because I want you to subscribe and be a part of the Skills Tribe. All right, until the next video, my friend, make sure you don't be selfish and share this with a fellow friend who's also working the corporate lifestyle just like you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button.